So I'm starting off with the shade Applejack from the ColourPop in My Little Pony eyeshadow palette as my transition shade and base. And then I'm going to go in and pick up that orangey red shade from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette and just start to build up that color and intensity and vibrancy. And then I'm going back into the Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going to be picking up the shade Flutterby and just deepening up that crease a bit. And now I'm just going in with that beautiful pink shade Minty from the ColourPop palette. Now I did go in with a shade from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm not going to recommend it because I wish that I'd gone in with a slightly darker shade, but I did pick up the shade Dark Side, and I just mixed that in with the ColourPop's Princess Sparkle from the same My Little Pony palette. Those didn't give me the depth and dimension that I was hoping for on this, at least not on my skin tone, so I would suggest something a little different, a little bit deeper if you were going to recreate this look. But just so you have that to reference, I did use those two shades on my inner and outer corner just to add a little bit more depth. Now again, to try and salvage some of the depth, I did go in with the shade Mugshot from ColourPop to try and build it up. I love the cool tone effect of it, and I do think that was a really pretty shade, but again, I think it would have worked better if I had deeper mattes to put on the outer corner. But I did try to do that just to blend before I put our center shade on, and I think that helped a little bit. And then I took that absolutely gorgeous center shade Snuzzle from the ColourPop palette. It is the most beautiful cool tone shade. It has this beautiful blue in it and silver. It just pulls so gorgeously, and I'm so happy with that color. I think that was my favorite part of the entire look. So yeah, love that color. And this is your completed look. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves.